Coming to you from Teacher Karen's Craft Corner. Today, we will be building a bubble challenge bank to save money using the materials that you see right here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a tube and you're going to cut it into small pieces. So the piece will look like this. You're going to take that piece and you're going to trace it onto a piece of cardboard, okay? You're gonna cut that out with some scissors. And then once you're done cutting, you're going to hot glue the two pieces together, okay? So you're gonna take the hot glue gun, you're gonna add some glue around it, and you're going to glue it together, okay? You're gonna set that to the side. Okay, so now you're going to take your ornament that you have here. You're going to get some alcohol pads and you're going to wipe your ornament all the way down, okay, like so. You're gonna make sure it's clean, get all the dirt, all the dust off of it, and then you're gonna let that sit for a little bit and let it dry, okay? Okay, your ornament is dry. Your next step you will do is take your letters that you bought from the store, or like what I did, I cut some letters out with my Cricut machine. I've already placed them on the ornament, like so, all the way around. After that, you're going to take your plug that you made earlier that you hot glued together, and you're gonna attach that to your ornament, okay? You're gonna hot glue it down like that. I have one that's already ready to go, and I'll show you what it looks like. So there it is. After that, it's time to save money. So I have some money here. I'm going to place the money inside. There you go. And you can take your cork just to seal it off. And it's ready to go. Have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.